Hello and welcome to my apartment. I'm doing an empty apartment tour. I literally have about like 15 minutes before we have to hand back the keys. So I thought I'll do an empty apartment tour of one of my favorite apartments ever that I've ever lived in. I've only ever lived in one apartment. I don't know why I'm saying that. But anyway, I want to show you guys around before I move out, sadly. And even though it's empty, I'm going to tell you guys each story and best memory that I have in each room. So let's begin. First, you walk into here and you have a toilet. Let me take this out. My mop is still here. I need to take
Oh shit.
So in here, come through. This is a nice old toilet. I really like this toilet because of the mirror. The mirror is absolutely massive. And I mean, the sink is really big. I really love all the sinks here. Nice spacious sink, nice ceramic finishings. And yeah, that's the toilet. Nothing fancy, nothing cool. Everything is like spanking clean. Then I have a little storage room. It's quite spacious in here. I had like a bookshelf in here. I had a bookshelf, I had it was packed to the fullest with just blankets, laundry, you name it, everything. Bedding was just all in here. And what's my best memory in this room in general? My best memory in this room would have to be one time me and my friends did cocktail making. And you can imagine I had loads and loads of drinks. I think I even filmed it, it's probably on YouTube somewhere. And I got absolutely wasted to the point where my friend got me wine glasses as a gift for my little housewarming. I threw up in the glasses outside on the way here. I threw up and I threw up in the lift in the box, like the IKEA box. So thank God I had that. That was the only thing keeping me, like holding me together. I came, put it in the kitchen and just sat on this toilet. And it was dark when I came in and bright when I came out. So, that's my best memory. Here. A lot of drunken nights just sat on this toilet. Yeah. And then here we have my kitchen. Now I absolutely love this kitchen. It's spacious, it has storage for days. Come on, all the way around. I have storage all for days. I have my photos of my family up here, pictures and Polaroids up here. You guys saw my videos. This is where I usually film most of my content. I'll just have the camera here and film the kitchen. I've done many cooking videos in here. I feel like I became here not the biggest fan of cooking, but now I love to cook. In this kitchen specifically. I love it, I'm gonna miss it so much. What's my best memory here? You know what? This would be like the kitchen table. So like all my friends, I've probably had like deep conversation, deep chats. I'll probably be sat here with my bar stools. I'll bring another bar stool here so we can be face to face. Lots of debates, card games. Just this would be like the center, the heart of the home. So I'm gonna miss it. I throw loads of things, loads of hostings. Everyone would just gather around here. Very fun times. And then here is the living room. It's quite spacious, really spacious actually. I have my sofa over here. I have a TV. I might insert pictures. I don't really want to insert pictures just because people would ask me where things are from. And honestly, I love you guys. I genuinely don't remember where everything is from. So I was like, let me do an empty apartment tour so people don't ask me for links because I don't know. And most of the things are sold out anyway. But anyway, I had loads of IKEA furniture. It was super cute, very clean, very standard, very whatever. I have all my candles up here, my plant, you guys remember my plant, like little bookshelves, everything. I had it all around here. I don't know what memory I have in here. I mean, this bit, I had a sofa bed, so I'd have loads of friends stay over, have the sofa, my family stay over, have the sofa here. I'll put up another blow-up mattress here and have like 8 people sleeping in one room. And it was all quite spacious, and every time people would sleep here, I could get to close the blinds, and the sun comes up from here, from this side, the east side, and my family and friends would complain because the sun was blinding them. I just always forget to close the blinds because I like it nice and bright all the time. And then we move on to the guest bedroom side of the house. Even though there weren't guest bedrooms, I made them both into workspaces and wardrobes. So we can start off with the bathroom. This was a guest bathroom. This one's really nice, really lovely. I like the mirrors because they are, I don't know what the word is when they don't like steam up. Yeah, but anyway, you can shower and they don't steam up. Really nice, very great. I've never had to like wipe them. It's massive. Toilet, sink again, space. Nice little bathtub. I've had baths in here, really like it. I'm not the biggest bath guy because I get hot in 2.5 seconds and I start to sweat and I'm just over it and I just have to wash my whole body and I'm like, done. And then you walk onto this side. This side used to be my office space, office beauty, filmed loads of videos in here, loads of content, viral content, any type of content was filmed in here. In the morning, I love sitting down here, and if you come through, the view is really nice. Like you get the view of, where would that be? I think you can see that, is it the Gherkin? You see the Shard over there. So it was just really professional. I use this as my professional room because I could see into the city, and I'd have my desk here, my laptop or watching over that, and then I'd have my nice little coffee in the mornings. I'm going to miss that so much. I'm gonna miss it so much. And you walk over to this side, and this side will be my wardrobe. There wasn't much sun on this side, so I made this a wardrobe room so no sun is peeking and going in here and ruining my clothes and my bags and my shoes. It's crazy. The room looked bigger when I had all my wardrobes and everything in here, but now that it's taken, it looks smaller. My best memory would be in this room, very chaotic. If you guys remember, I had a Nollywood party, 2000s party, right? So everyone was just eating, doing good. I had drinks for days. I had so much alcohol, and I just think people just kind of got ahead of themselves, and I think one person came in and threw up in my wardrobe room. I literally remember my friends running to the kitchen getting appliances, and I'm like, what are you doing? Why are you guys getting cleaning products? They're like, don't worry babe, no, it's fine. I'm like, I'm just gonna follow you guys. I'm gonna follow you guys and figure out what you're doing. I followed them to open into a puddle of sick. I was like, and them trying to like clean it, but you shouldn't. The way they cleaned it, they were just ruining the carpet. I said, guys, scoop it up, clean it as much as you can, whatever. My friend covered the bill to clean the carpet, and the stain was never to be seen again. The exact spot was right here, but you wouldn't see it because I'm gonna miss having this room. I love it so much. I had all my bits and pieces. I never did a wardrobe tour. Maybe one day, we'll do that one day, but anyway, this was the wardrobe room. Love it. I don't wanna leave. I don't wanna leave. And then walk over to this side, which is the master bedroom, my bedroom. So you walk over here, I have my bed here. I kept my room really simple because I wanted the other two rooms just have more going on. So I simply just had a bed here. I like that this window was actually quite high. So if I was like naked, no one could really see me because the windows are quite high. And then my TV up there. And yeah, and then I had like more wardrobe space as if I couldn't have enough already. Yeah, just to have more clothes, more storage. I had storage for days. Anyway, let's close that. Loved it. And then, you guys have probably seen this bathroom like 10 billion times, but this would be my main bathroom that I would use. His and her sinks, absolutely gorgeous. I love this. I wasn't sharing with anyone, but this was fun for me. And then mirrors again. These mirrors once again don't steam when you shower. I'd have so much room for all of my skincare. And this wouldn't even be all of it. This would just be like a quarter of my skincare, and then I'd have loads in that office room. I think when I move to my new place, I just want less of everything. I just want to cut down. And then the shower, really cute. I'm a shower girl. I rarely ever have baths, so love this for me. Yeah, and then it has an overhead shower as well if you want to do that. Same with the other bathroom, sorry, I forgot to mention that. To be honest, my best memory in my bedroom was probably moon watching. Like sitting here looking at the moon. The moon would always be out of this window, and I'd sit and actually look at the moon, and the moon would be so nice and bright. All the sunsets I would have in this room as well, loved it so much. Yeah, just looking out into the window. It's probably my favourite memory in here. Absolute favourite. And then off we go here. I get so many questions about these stairs because people don't know the entrance to my place, and I like that. Keep people confused. Anyway, follow me down the steps. This apartment is actually like a duplex apartment, so it's got a little upstairs and a little downstairs, smaller area. This place I use for all my suitcases. I put them all in here, my storage that I didn't want to see. And then it also leads out, oh, it's really nice and sunny right now, into the terrace. So I'd have a nice little terrace here. It's actually a bit dirty. I'm clean this. Anyway, I'd have everyone over into the sun. I'd have my garden furniture over here. I don't want to talk too loud because someone's like outside. Let's talk about yeah, so my neighbours were outside and I didn't want to bother them. But anyway, I was in there, I had all my garden furniture, I was at pictures, I really loved it here, I loved hosting friends, they loved being outside. But you know what, I got garden furniture and honestly I only use it for about like 4 weeks out of the year. So it's not really the best investment. But we had good memories outside. I had my Nollywood party and everyone was outside enjoying themselves. It was a good time, very good time. And yeah, note to self, white walls when you're having a party where everyone's wasted. Not good for my walls, so I had to repaint them, and to be honest, you can still even see the marks on the wall. But we're not going to talk about that. To be honest, I hope my estate agents just never see this video. They probably would. If they're watching, just leave. Yeah, so that's basically the rest of the place. The place I'm moving into is a lot smaller. I just want to cut down on everything. I love this place, but it's so big and I accumulated so much stuff. And it's just not sustainable and it's not financially smart for me. Like, I love this place, but as one person paying for this whole place, it basically in like zone 1, it's just not smart for me. So I'm cutting down and not throwing all my money into renting. Renting just for me right now is not smart. And I mean, I still am going to rent, but I plan on buying a house. So I just need to work towards that, and staying here just isn't going to work. But I love it, I love it. If I could stay here for the price that I first moved into at that price, that would be great. But each year rent goes up, so I'm like, oh no, you guys aren't going to rinse me for everything I have. So I'm leaving, but this place will always have a special place in my heart, and you guys know all the memories and all the stuff in here. And yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. But you guys have to leave, and I have to leave. So everyone has to go. Everyone has to go. We all have to leave. We all have to go. I'm rushing you out. Mwah, love you. Thank you for watching. Bye.